mental illness is a silent disease, and we also need to be cognizant of looking out for that disease as much as we look out for any other disease.
Holidays can often be a difficult time for people who are struggling with their mental health. The topic was thrust into the spotlight this week with news that DJ and dancer Stephen Twitch Boss took his own life. The 40-year-old was the longtime DJ on the Ellen DeGeneres Show, and he was known for that big smile and his smooth dance moves. We're breaking this story down much more tonight. WPTV News Channel 5 Stephanie Susskind joining me right now after speaking with a mental health professional today about how we can all look out for each other during the holidays, and really kind of honing in on this. It's so important. The sad news and tragic news of this is really bringing to light identifying where the need is.
Absolutely. You know, we all felt that shockwave when we heard this news all throughout our newsroom and anyone you talk to. And the news really taking people by surprise about Twitch, because everyone would say he always looked so happy. He always had that smile on his face. And that's what experts tell me. You never really know what people are dealing with under the surface and behind closed doors. Sometimes even family members don't understand what their loved ones are going through. So Boca Raton psychiatrist Dr. Samantha Salt says, when you ask them how they're doing, mean what you say.
There's a difference between seeing somebody and saying, "Hi, how are you?" Looking at somebody and actually saying, "Hi, how are you doing?" There's a difference in the way you actually express a true concern for somebody and check in with somebody as opposed to just saying the verbal words.
And Dr. Salt says the holidays can bring on feelings of isolation and loneliness, as well as that financial stress. So this is not only a reminder to check in on your friends and family, but also on yourself. Make sure you're giving yourself some of that time for self-care, especially during times like this.
Such an important topic, Stephanie. And, you know, as the doctor alluded to there, it's trying to really draw out some of that emotion to find it. And when we find it and you know somebody is struggling, where can they turn and what can you do to help them?
Well, of course, there are a lot of resources out there, counseling resources, some free in our community, and you always want to reach out to that professional and talk through this. But if someone you know is reluctant to get that help, maybe you think they could use a little bit of guidance, offer to make that phone call with them to set up the appointment, offer to go with them to just help that process. And two sets of important numbers here, 211. We know that number in our community, Palm Beach County and the Treasure Coast. You can call that number if you're struggling. And 988, that is the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. Always somebody there to talk.
Always an important topic, especially this time of year. Stephanie, thanks for your information. Appreciate it.